Good morning, student. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now your periodic one is over now, so we start our chapter 3. Today we will do chapter 3 and 4 together. So let's start. Now our chapter is reuse waste materials. Do you know that 3R is very important in our surroundings, and that 3R's are reduce, reuse and recycles, and these the 3R's that create a clean environment, and these 3R's create the our surrounding cleans, and these 3R's are very important for the earth planet. So reuse, do you know that what is reuse? जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को उसको रीयूज़ करते हैं, दोबारा से रीयूज़ करके कुछ क्रिएटिव मटेरियल बनाते हैं, दैट इज़ रीयूज़. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ फोटो फ्रेम फ्रॉम आइसक्रीम स्टिक. जो हमने आइसक्रीम की स्टिक्स जो होती हैं, आप आइसक्रीम खाते हैं उसके बाद वो आइसक्रीम को कलेक्ट करके आप जो है उससे फ़ोटो फ्रेम बनाते हैं, तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रीयूज़. Photo frame from the ice cream sticks. Now the second one is eco-friendly bag from the waste newspaper. Newspaper say nowadays you know that polythene is banned, and polythene is not good for our environment, so we nowadays we are using paper bag or a cloth bag, but for this is the paper bag. This is very eco-friendly bag from waste newspaper. And the third one is cutlery holders, in which we put cutlery, a spoon, fork and knife, and this is made with the cold drink cans. And fourth one is bracelet from waste buttons. Now do you know that where is rock garden? Rock garden is in Chandigarh. And who built the rock garden? नेकचंद. एंड क्या है उस रॉक गार्डन के अंदर? जितने भी वेस्ट मटेरियल हैं, जितने लाइक आवर कप, आवर प्लेट, आवर बैंगल्स के जो टूटे टूटे से पीसीज होते हैं, वो या कुछ भी जो भी वेस्ट आइटम है उससे वहाँ पर क्या बनाया हुआ है, वो पूरा रॉक गार्डन है, और उसका नाम रॉक गार्डन है जो चंडीगढ़ में है, जिसे नेकचंद ने बनाया. दिस इज़ द वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रीयूज. दिस इज़ built of waste item from homes and industries. So now the quiz time. This one is the charging station that made from the boxes. Second one is a pencil box made from the waste cans, and the third one is a wind chimes made out of bottle cap. And this is a wall decor made from waste newspaper. So this is the chapter रीयूज़, दैट हाउ वी रीयूज़ द थिंग्स. हम रीयूज़ कैसे करते हैं और रीयूज़ करके हम अपने लिए कैसे क्रिएटिव चीज़ें बनाते हैं और उसे हम यूज़ करते हैं. जब आप अपने आप कोई चीज़ बनाते हो तो आपको अच्छा लगता है, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू क्लीन आवर एनवायरनमेंट कि हम चीज़ों को रीयूज़ करें. सो नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर 4. This is vegetable we must eat. Do you know that vegetables and fruits play an important role in everybody's life, and vegetable is very important because it contain all the nutrients and it help us to fight from the disease. And how it helps to fight from the disease? Because it boost our immune system. So it's very important that from today you all start eating vegetables. Fine, I know that some of them are very few vegetable you like, but and you like only the things that gives you taste and that gives the taste to your tongue. But the things like bottle gourd, rich gourd, this is very important. These are the this is very important in our digestion. This is very important for our health. So first we start from the lady's fingers. It help us to in weight loss, immune system, digestion, and increase immunity to fight disease. Now the second one is the bottle gourd. It also help us in weight loss, better digestion, prevent several diseases and high blood pressures. ये हमें वेट लॉस करने में और जिनका ब्लड प्रेशर हाई होता है उसको कंट्रोल करने में हेल्प करती है. थर्ड वन इज स्पिनच. इट इज़ गुड फॉर आवर आईज, ब्रेन एंड हार्ट. इट हेल्प अस टू प्रिवेंट डिसीज. आई नो दैट right now you are a small children, you are a little kids, you don't like these things, you like pizza, burger and all these things, but junk food is not good for health. Once in a while, or you can say once in a week, or you can say once in a 15 days, that then it's okay, but junk food is not good for health. Green vegetables gives your body good nutrients, and it also help us to boost your immune system. So it is very important to eat these vegetable, and it's up to you how you make your curry, how you make your vegetable, how you make your plate more tastier. You put some salt, you put some chaat masala, some lemon, some put some ghee, put some butter, so that your these things gives you good taste. Now the fourth one is brinjal. Brinjals, it control blood pressure, diabetes, and it is good for brain. Now fifth one is broccoli. It keeps the bone healthy, prevent constipation and control blood pressure. ये हमारी bones को healthy रखता है. You know that our body we have 206 bones in our body, and it helps to keep our bones healthy, prevent constipation and control blood pressure. It is good. Now the sixth one is cabbage. It keeps the skin healthy and stimulate hair growth. It also make the hair smooth and shiny. ये हमारे बालों को, हमारे hair को कैसा बनाता है? Smooth and shiny, and that is cabbage. So eat vegetable as a part of healthy diet to prevent diseases and remain active and fit. Have you noticed when you eat burger and pizza your body become lazy? Yes or no? But when you eat fresh fruits, when you eat fresh vegetables like green vegetables, your body is active and fit. So this is chapter 3 and 4. You just do in your book on date and put date 24.8.20 and do exercise chapter 5 from your own. And after this video we will start from the next chapter, that is chapter 6. So this is your homework. You just do your exercise 5 in your homework. Have a good day.